so excited for today's video because we are going to be cleaning and decorating for fall. This fallification process but that's half of the fun. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because we are going to be cleaning and decorating for fall. This will be part 1 of my fall decorating series, and today we're going to be tackling the kitchen. I'm going to show you guys how I decorate my coffee bar, my kitchen island. This video is just going to have all the cozy fall vibes. If you have never seen my face before, hi, my name is Kyra, and my channel is all about cozy hobbies like reading, crafting, cleaning and organizational content, lifestyle vlogs, and the process of me running my small crafty business. So if any of that sounds like something you'd be interested in, be sure to subscribe and hit the little bell so we can hang out each week. But without further ado, let's jump right in and get our kitchen ready for fall. So we are going to be starting this fallification process by removing all the summer decor. I want to wipe down all the surfaces in here and just have a fresh and clean slate to put out our fall decor.
Blue sky, take me on your treasure dive. I've got nothing to lose after years with the blues. Oh, you know about them highs and lows. An angel is what I need. Feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I'll give anything to say hello. Come on over here, lower them stairs. Got all the tools after years with the blue.
Now that the kitchen is all clean and undecorated, it's time to look through those totes that I brought in. I do not have a plan for what we're going to be doing, so you guys will find out with me, and I'm sure you'll see it change a lot, but that's half of the fun.
What I need to bring me up to full speed. Shades of blue holds feather wings and arms made out of golden strings. I give anything to say hello. To indigo, to say say hello.
Like-minded if we could, but that's not the case. Oh, the wind will turn, don't be concerned. Oh, I can learn. When we end this hiding games, and we don't pull them both ways, steady. Don't go too far now.
Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today while I got the kitchen cozy and ready for fall. I hope that you have enjoyed it and gotten some inspiration to decorate your kitchen. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss part 2 of my fall decorating series. I am super excited for all the upcoming fall content that I have planned, and I can't wait to see you guys next week for a new video. Bye.